Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Or maybe you want to speak English confidently in a clothing store.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about shopping for clothes and trying on outfits.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about shopping for clothes.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use in clothing stores.
Let's begin. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
How about this one?
It looks nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I'd love to.
How does it fit?
It's a little small.
Would you like a larger size?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
How about now?
Perfect.
It looks great on you.
I think I'll buy it.
Have you ever had a funny shopping experience?
Yes.
What happened?
I tried on a jacket backwards.
Really?
Yes.
Did anyone tell you?
Not for 5 minutes. What about you?
I once paid for a shirt and forgot to take it home.
No way.
Yes,
Did you go back?
the next day.
That's funny. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Keep listening and practicing every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.